Hi guys, how are you? I am fine. I hope you are doing great. I hope you are doing well. My name is Sikandar Ali. I live in Mumbai. I was talking about business. Okay, as you know, I am businessman. Okay. So if you want become a businessman, you have to leave you have to left greed. Okay. Greed is bad. Greed is very bad. Okay. You have to believe hard work. If you are greed person, you can't become a success businessman. Okay. You have to buy carefully your goods. If you have good purchase power, if you are, if you are, you can say punctual. If you are hard work, then you can become success. Okay. For businessman, four five things is most important. Your tongue should be polite. You you should have punctual. If you are honest, if you have good purchase power, if you buy reasonable price, then you can sell easily. If you buy expensive goods, you can't sell easily. That's why I have good experience about business. So you should learn English while learn speaking English. You can learn business point. If you watch my video, I will give very valuable point. I haven't education. I didn't education, unfortunately, but I am businessman. Okay. I have a small business. I am stable in Mumbai. I live in Mumbai with family. Okay. But do you know, I belong a very poor family. My parents were very poor. I belong a very small village. Name is Narayanpur in part of Bihar. Narayanpur Magra, you can say. But I don't greed. Greed is very bad thing. You should believe only hard work. You should believe only honesty. You should believe only punctual. You can do everything. You can learn everything while learning speak English. You should gratitude of God. Okay. Don't believe only destiny. Don't believe only destiny. You have to hard work. After that, does work destiny. Without hard work, can't do anything your destiny. If I talk about learn speak English, so while playing, while going, while coming, I whispering, I whispering means fusfusana. I whispering anytime in English while going, while working at shop, at home, anywhere. Everywhere, same thing. You have to hard work. If you want to learn speak English, if you want to earn money, if you want a good achieve, if you want good skill, if you want good improvement, without hard work, nothing happen, guys. Without hard work, nothing happen. You have to hard work. Then you can get everything. Sometimes life is not easy. I face I face lot of problem. Sometimes life is not easy. Sometimes your life is not easy, but you can grow. You can grow wisely, step by step. Grow. Don't afraid to bad situation. Don't afraid to difficult time. Everything able to change. Okay. If you have bad time, no need to worry. Can grow wisely. Okay. Everything able to change. Everything able to change. When I started business, at that time I had nothing at all. I faced many problems, many challenges, but I told you everything able to change. Okay, so don't afraid to buy a bad time. If you have difficult time, you don't afraid. Please, I will support you. I will give suggestion you. I will give good idea. How can get out? How can get? How can go outside? So, but you have to do everything. Difficult time, everyone will go from your. Everyone will go from you. Everyone will go far from you. If you have good day, if you have good time, everyone come from you. So you have to change self. Can't change anyone. If you have problem, you have to change self. You can see self. You can see inside. You are able to do everything. Okay. Don't compare each other. You have lot of ability. You should recognize self. You can do everything. So don't afraid difficult time. You can become businessman, you can become politician, you can become singer, you can become cricketer. You should recognize self first of all. Then will be better. If you go sometime here, sometime you want become cricketer, sometime you want become a good job keeper, sometime you want become a learn speak English, sometime you want become singer. It is not good. It is not good. You have to fix one goal. You have to fix one goal. Then you can achieve your goal. If you have 4, 5 goals, you can't achieve any goal. So, guys, I did hard work entire life. So that's why uh, will be big. Video will be big. That's why I don't want to say longer. But I would say that you have to hard work. You can learn English if you want. If you but English, why English is much important. I want to say that I want to about English. I want to I want to talk about English. Why need speak English? I would say that, guys, if you want a big salary, if you want handsome salary, if you want become a doctor, if you want become a celebrity, big celebrity, if you want become officer like a IPS officer, if you have good skill, you are able to play cricket, you are able to sing song, you are able to businessman. But if you don't know English, you can't become big businessman, you can't become a good officer, you can't become a good player as a captain, like a captain. So if you have big achievement, you should learn English. Listen my point carefully. You should spend time for English 1 hour minimum every day. Then you can learn easily. It will take time. Everyone make mistake. Don't afraid to mistake. Mistake means success. If you make mistake, 100% you will be success one day. So today is enough. I will I will connect with you tomorrow. Thank you for watching my video. Guys, if I make mistake, you can comment me because I am Tyro. Okay. So I don't afraid to make mistake. Mistake is necessary. Every every politician does mistake, doctor does mistake, celebrity does, everyone does mistake. So no need to worry. mistake. If I make mistake, next time I will correct. I will be correct. Okay. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you would be feel good. Thank you so much.